Hey there, fellow road trippers and everyday drivers. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to use your Discover gift card to pay for gas. If you've got one of these cards burning a hole in your wallet, you're in the right place. Let's get straight to it, because nobody wants to be fumbling at the pump when they're in a hurry. First things first, what exactly is a Discover gift card? It's basically a prepaid card loaded with a specific amount of money, and it's accepted at millions of locations, including many gas stations. But before you head out, make a quick pit stop to check your card's balance. You can do this easily through the Discover website or app. Just log in, enter your card details, and voila, you'll see how much gas money you've got to play with. This step is crucial to avoid any surprises at the station. Now, onto the main event: using it at the gas pump. Not all gas stations accept Discover gift cards, so look for ones that display the Discover logo or are part of major chains like Exxon, Shell, or BP that typically do. Once you're there, pull up to the pump and follow these simple steps. If the pump has a card reader, insert or tap your gift card like you would a credit card. Most modern pumps support this, but if it's an older one, you might need to go inside to the cashier. Inside the station, hand your card to the attendant or use the terminal to swipe it. Select Credit when prompted. Discover gift cards usually work best this way. Enter your zip code if asked for verification, and confirm the amount for your gas purchase. That's it, your tank will be filling up in no time. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Always treat your gift card like cash, because if it's lost or stolen, funds might not be recoverable. Also, keep an eye out for any transaction fees at certain stations, though Discover cards generally don't have them for purchases. And remember, these cards can expire, so use them before the date on the back. There you have it, folks, a straightforward guide to fueling up with your Discover gift card. It's a great way to use up that balance without hassle. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more everyday tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Safe travels and happy driving.